This is Io, one of Jupiter's 4 largest moons. But don't think it's a paradisiacal place. Get ready to discover a scary, dangerous world full of infernal surprises. Io is one of the most inhospitable worlds in our solar system. Imagine a place with huge lava lakes, bigger than an entire city, and hundreds of volcanoes that make a skyscraper look small. Oh, and did you think your day was difficult? Try to survive on a moon that is constantly being torn apart by Jupiter's gravitational pull. But before we explore this madness, we need to figure out how to get there. The distance between Earth and Jupiter is constantly changing, thanks to Jupiter's elliptical orbit. Even when it's closest, it's still 588 million kilometers away from us. NASA's New Horizons probe took 1 year, 1 month and 9 days to get there. And that was just the beginning. If we were on board, with all the life support systems, food and everything else, this trip would take about 2.5 years. Finally, we reached Io's orbit. But landing here is a challenge in itself. Jupiter's powerful magnetic force is so intense that it causes Io to be constantly bombarded by radiation, forming a cloud of particles that scientists call a plasma torus. Imagine a donut, only made of deadly radiation. Delicious, right? Io's surface is a nightmare of lava and volcanoes. And don't think that these are ordinary volcanoes. Here, eruptions can shoot lava tens of kilometers into the air. The reason? Jupiter's intense gravity and the influence of neighboring moons, such as Europa and Ganymede, pull Io like a rubber ball. The result? A terrain that changes constantly, without warning. Coming down here is like trying to land on a lava battlefield. Of course, if you were going to explore Io, you'd need to be well equipped, or at least try. A fire suit might resist the heat, but here, radiation is an even bigger problem. And guess what? The costume doesn't help against that. Rico, this suit is radiation resistant, right?
Negative. Your chances of survival are 0.02%.
Oh, great. So let's just say that spending more than a few seconds on Io can be a short-lived experience. Io is, without a doubt, the most volcanically active place in our solar system. With temperatures ranging from -130 degrees Celsius -202 degrees Fahrenheit in its coldest regions to 1,600 degrees Celsius 2,912 degrees Fahrenheit near the volcanoes, it is as if we are facing a hell of ice and fire. To explore Io, you would need much more than a good suit. You would need luck, courage, and a very quick escape plan. So, where will we send our brave explorer on the next mission? Perhaps to the depths of Earth's ocean? But that, friends, is a story for another episode of What If? If you enjoyed this crazy adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment where you'd like us to explore next time. Until the next episode of What If?